Hello everybody, it's the one and only Dyan'van ripping Blackie. We almost at 50 subscribers. Please tell your friends, family, and slab to please subscribe. Please the subscribe button. It's here. Up. Yeah, that's the subscribe button. Please subscribe. 50 may seem little, but to me it's a huge deal in the Abulela. Keep them coming. Hopefully in the next 2 months we'll make it to 100 subscribers. You never know, man. You never know. Different day, different video. It's Blackie Somnyama featuring Nasty C. Name of the song is Ye Times 4. If you don't know who Blackie Somnyama is, his new upcoming artist causing waves, hella waves. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Oh. Sleep.
Yeah.
You know what is sleep? Slime.
Yeah.
I heard the snippet before.
Yeah, nigga was hiding. Simple letter out the alphabet, real G, nigga, no wagon. All class, no cap, yeah. Run it up, chicken tally, yeah.
Real alphabet. Real G. No wagon. Like a G-Wagon, but without the wagon. I'm a real G. I stand alone.
Run it up, take the standard, yeah. I'ma slide on the beat, yeah. I'ma dive in the, I'ma dive in the T, H-O-T. That is a dot. I'm in the P-O-T. I'm trying to do it on camera, baby. What's happening, yeah? P-O-V. I be so hot to be ashy, niggas can't handle. Oh, that's on me, that's on me, that's on me, yeah.
Somnyama.
I just landed it. They're going, I just landed in London. My pockets be talking
Nasty.
Your pockets still humming. Blackie, he passed me the ball and I dunk it. Yeah. I shoot up the three. Going down, me going.
Oh. Blackie passed me the ball and I dunk it. That NBA talk. Oh, I shoot a three. Swish. Okay, nasty. That's nasty.
Stupid indeed, not and Uber the freaks. How do I keep the shit smoother than grease? I can tell you, but you wouldn't believe. Fucking with me, you bruise, you bleed.
How do I keep this shit smoother than grease? This thing is smooth, slickery smooth. Smoother than silk.
Time is money, yeah, and I can't play cash or release. Can't take that whole send it back to the streets. Also trying to have a baby with me. Stupid ass girl who is done for me.
Me and the gang be playing catch and release. We catching these bitches, then we releasing to the streets. They always say there's a lot of fish in the sea. Oh, nasty. He's satisfied. He probably has wifey. Last time I checked, he's still dating his high school sweetheart. So he's fine. He's just doing it for fun. He catches these bitches and then release them to the street. To his niggas.
How do you feel about being so saucy? That's what they ask me, yeah. I be so fly like a fucking saucer, yeah. I am an alien. The bag in my shoebox. 10 flame, bring 2 blocks. I be flying in an eagle. You be flying in a peacock. You be flying in a dodo. Your girl trying to take photos.
Okay. Somnyama gokwake. He said, I'll be flying like an eagle. You be flying like a peacock. Peacocks don't fly. You be flying than a dodo. Dodo is extinct. While I rule the skies. You don't fly. You don't fly.
See no Joko. I feel a big no. Big drip, big splash, big goat. Oh, you gonna need a poncho. Putting out at the doors like, oh, trying to put my dogs on.
This is fire. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 That was Blackie. That was Blackie Somyama. Featuring Nasty C. Yeah times 4. Yeah, 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 yeah. I enjoyed that. It was hyped. I like the energy in the song, the beat. Recently, I heard the snippet of it before I listened to it, and it got me hyped. So the chorus, I really knew it. If it's a chorus, that thing, yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah. So thank you everyone for watching. It's the one and only Dyan'van ripping Okwake. They said the revolution will not be televised, but for your sake, it's getting YouTubed. Diabulela.